Dragon Signs is a reactive company. We have really short lead times. In the past, we've always had issues where we've had to increase the speed. It's been at a detriment to the quality. The M3h has given us the confidence to say yes, no matter what the deadline, the type of work, we know we can deliver.
Dragon Signs is a signage company or a brand specialist. We're located in Wales. We service retail, manufacturing, automotive and sports stadia throughout the UK. We invested in the EFI M3h to capacitate our business growth. We of course looked at other machines. The EFI M3h really stood out.
This is our first hybrid printer and it is a game changer. Fast speeds and still get pin-sharp quality. Colours are so vibrant with crisp whites. The versatility you've got with it between 3.2 roll-to-roll or dual 1600 roll-to-roll straight into flatbed printing, which just saves so much production time.
We're already seeing an impact from this printer. Firstly, to our staff, they're using a world-class machinery. Secondly, our customers are receiving top-end quality products.
The fiery rip so far has been great, and I think it's definitely the right rip for this printer. We've got a long-standing relationship with CMYUK. They provide a turnkey solution, providing us with a printer, installing, training, maintenance. Sue and the team have always been great. They're always at the end of the phone if you need them.
Dragon Signs is a unique business, and with great people, a wealth of expertise, a wealth of knowledge that we share amongst each other, and topped off with great technology.